NASA says it's Pioneer 1, the most faraway human-spread object, sending usable data to Earth again. In the universe, we can't fully understand what it is besides what we can observe. Pioneer 1, the popular space probe transported by NASA more than 4.5 billion years ago, has recently sent back a message that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. After traveling almost 14 billion miles from Earth, Pioneer 1 has made a discovery so critical that it has changed the course of its mission, now turning back toward our planet. Join us on this shocking journey. 7 minutes ago, Pioneer 1 made an upsetting discovery and turned back to Earth. But what exactly might this discovery be? Could it be proof of extraterrestrial life, a massive anomaly, or something even more extraordinary? In this gripping analysis, we will uncover these groundbreaking revelations as Pioneer 1 has just made a stunning discovery that caused it to unexpectedly reverse course toward Earth. The history of the Voyager twin probes. If certain celestial events hadn't aligned, two of the most remarkable rockets of all time might never have left Earth. Roughly 50 years ago, the four largest planets in our solar system aligned in a way that hadn't occurred since the 19th century, during Thomas Jefferson's presidency. This captivating planetary arrangement initially went largely unnoticed. However, its significance was first recognized by Gary Flandreau, a doctoral student in aeronautics at the California Institute of Technology. In 1965, while working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, Flandreau was tasked with determining the most efficient method for sending a space probe to Jupiter or even farther, to Saturn, Uranus, or Neptune. Using a simple pencil, Flandreau carefully plotted the orbital paths of these giant planets and made an astonishing discovery. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, all four planets would align in such a way that they could be visited in a single mission. This alignment meant that a spacecraft could use the gravitational pull of each planet to slingshot itself to the next, significantly reducing travel time. Flandreau determined that this configuration would cut the flight time from Earth to Neptune from 30 years to just 12. However, there was a catch. This planetary arrangement only happens once every 176 years. To seize this rare opportunity, a spacecraft would need to be launched by the early 1970s. NASA seized this once-in-a-lifetime chance and built two spacecraft to make the journey, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Launch of the Voyager twin probes. On September 5, 1977, at Cape Canaveral in Florida, Voyager 1 set out on its grand journey into space, launched by a powerful rocket known as Titan III. Just 15 days earlier, on August 20, 1977, Voyager 2 had been launched. Their primary mission was to explore the giant gas planets in our solar system, such as Jupiter and Saturn, along with their numerous moons. However, these daring spacecraft exceeded all expectations. They ventured far beyond, pushing the boundaries of exploration and traveling farther and longer than any other spacecraft in history. Their remarkable journey has brought them into interstellar space, a completely unknown region within our galaxy. Despite being over 12 billion miles from us, they continue to astonish scientists with their incredible discoveries. Once upon a time, the Voyager spacecraft amazed scientists with the first close-up views of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons. Exploring the outer planets, initially thought to be dull and cratered like our own moon, these moons turned out to be dynamic and diverse worlds. Voyager 1 reached Jupiter in March 1979, just a few years after its launch. Voyager 2, following a slightly different path, arrived in July of the same year. Both spacecraft were equipped with special cameras that used filters to capture full-color images. Remarkably, these cameras were designed to be extremely stable, rotating at a rate more than 10 times slower than the hour hand of a clock. This ensured the images captured were crisp and detailed. During their mission, the Voyagers captured over 33,000 photographs of Jupiter and its moons, each revealing new and fascinating details. For example, Europa, one of Jupiter's 53 named moons, was found to have a fractured icy surface estimated to be more than 60 miles thick. As the spacecraft left the Jupiter system, They gained a speed boost of 35,700 miles per hour from a gravitational slingshot maneuver, propelling them toward interstellar space, Saturn, and beyond. At Saturn, the Voyagers diverged in their paths. Voyager 1 navigated Saturn's spectacular rings, enduring countless impacts from tiny dust particles before flying by Titan, a moon surrounded by an orange haze. It then traveled north, out of the plane of the planet's rings. Voyager 2 continued its exceptional journey, reaching Uranus in 1986 and Neptune in 1989. At Uranus, it discovered 10 new moons and confirmed the planet's ring system. Sadly, the success of this mission was overshadowed by the Challenger disaster in 1986, which claimed the lives of all 7 crew members aboard the space shuttle. 3 years later, as Voyager 2 passed Neptune's stunning blue methane atmosphere, it encountered the fastest winds recorded on any planet in our solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, was found to be one of the coldest places in the solar system, with surface temperatures plunging to a frigid minus 235 degrees Celsius. Its frozen volcanoes, erupting nitrogen gas and fine particles up to 5 miles into its atmosphere, were another astonishing discovery. After capturing breathtaking images of Neptune and its moons, both spacecraft were scheduled to shut down their cameras, marking the end of their official missions. Legacy and recent discoveries. Although their cameras were deactivated, the Voyagers have continued to transmit valuable data from interstellar space. NASA has employed innovative strategies to keep them operational, such as shutting down non-essential components and conserving power. The plan is to maintain their functionality until at least 2025. When scientists thought the Voyager missions were nearing their end, a stunning discovery emerged. Both spacecraft have recently sent data that could redefine our understanding of the universe. This includes evidence of phenomena never before observed in space. Scientists are now racing to analyze the new data and understand its implications. Could this discovery provide clues to the existence of extraterrestrial life? Or perhaps something even more extraordinary? A turning point in space exploration. The recent data from Voyager 1 and 2 have sparked renewed interest and excitement within the scientific community. These spacecraft, operating at the very edges of the heliosphere, have provided unprecedented insight into the nature of interstellar space. One of the key findings involves strange plasma waves and magnetic fields, unlike anything ever detected before. This has led to speculation about how energy and matter behave in the void between stars. Some researchers suggest that these signals could hint at unexplored physics, while others wonder if they might be artificial in origin, potentially pointing to signs of extraterrestrial intelligence. Adding to the intrigue, the Voyagers have also detected particles that appear to defy expectations about the density and temperature of interstellar space. These anomalies are forcing scientists to rethink long-held assumptions about how the universe behaves beyond our solar system. A mysterious message? Among the most puzzling discoveries is a potential signal that seems almost intentional. While NASA has been cautious in interpreting the data, some experts believe it could represent a form of communication. Unlike natural phenomena, this signal displays a pattern that suggests structure, a possibility that has set the global scientific community abuzz. Could it be that Pioneer 1, in its turn back toward Earth, is carrying a message from the unknown? If so, what might this message mean for humanity's place in the cosmos? These questions remain unanswered, but they are fueling a wave of research and exploration aimed at uncovering the truth. What lies ahead? As NASA prepares for the eventual shutdown of Voyager 1 and 2, the focus has shifted to preserving their legacy and ensuring that the wealth of data they have gathered continues to be studied for decades to come. Meanwhile, the insights gained from these missions are informing the design of future spacecraft, which may one day surpass the Voyagers in their exploration of the cosmos. The revelations from these twin probes remind us of humanity's insatiable curiosity and determination to understand the universe. Whether the recent discoveries signal a fundamental shift in our knowledge of space or represent the first steps toward contact with other intelligent life, one thing is certain. The journey of Voyager 1 and 2 is far from over, and their impact will be felt for generations. As we await further updates and discoveries, the legacy of these historic missions serves as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of exploration. Could Pioneer 1 and its turning course provide answers to the deepest mysteries of the cosmos? Only time and continued exploration will tell, uncovering privileged insights about the construction of the actual universe. The Explorer missions stand as a demonstration of human inventiveness, constancy, and curiosity. Even as they cross the cool, dim compasses of interstellar space, they continue to inspire awe and push the boundaries of exploration. If you'd like more details or specific aspects of the story expanded, let me know. Cosmologist Carl Sagan, a member of the mission's imaging team, intervened despite the mission's official end. NASA extended the mission with hopes that the pioneers would wander into interstellar space. Renamed the Explorer Interstellar Mission, the rockets were set to continue their journey into the unknown. Explorer 1's interstellar journey began to gain attention in August 2012 when it achieved a stunning milestone. It ventured beyond the heliosphere, a vast region of charged particles created by the Sun. This remarkable feat became widely known the following year when a study was published in Science detailing Explorer 1's groundbreaking discovery. The spacecraft's plasma wave instrument detected a strong solar flare between April 9th and May 2013. This event caused nearby electrons to vibrate, indicating that the spacecraft had entered a region of higher particle density than that found within the heliosphere. Initially, it may seem surprising that electron density is greater in interstellar space than near the Sun. However, experts explain that electron density at the heliosphere's edge is significantly lower than on Earth's surface. By analyzing Explorer 1's data, scientists pinpointed the spacecraft's exact exit from the heliosphere as August 25, 2012. This determination was based on electron movements and measurements of charged solar particles collected by the spacecraft on that critical day. For the Explorer team, this announcement was a source of immense pride and satisfaction. Susan Dodd, the project manager, expressed the team's excitement, saying, "We are thrilled to have been able to work with the Explorers and to see it achieve the incredible milestone of entering interstellar space." Ed Stone, a key figure in the Explorer missions, emphasized the significance of this achievement in advancing our understanding of space. Explorer has led us to new discoveries by providing us with the first glimpse of this new region, expanding our scientific understanding of the nature of energy and radiation in space, he said. Explorer 2 also crossed into interstellar space in November 2018, venturing into an uncharted region beyond the Sun's protective bubble, which shields us from cosmic radiation. However, the most astonishing news comes from Explorer 1. Following an incredible 46 years, NASA's Explorer 1 spacecraft, the farthest human-made object in space, continues to send valuable data back to Earth, despite being over 14.7 billion miles away. The spacecraft remains operational, even though its primary mission ended long ago. Recently, Explorer 1 made a startling discovery that has left scientists both puzzled and deeply concerned. As the spacecraft ventured further into space, it began sending back data revealing an anomaly in its trajectory. The data indicated signals containing information about an unknown phenomenon that defied explanation. This anomaly appeared to suggest a massive, previously undetected object exerting a strong gravitational pull, distorting the spacecraft's path. This discovery has stunned the scientific community, sparking a whirlwind of speculation. Could it be a rogue planet, a black hole, or something entirely extraordinary? If confirmed, this newly discovered object would challenge our fundamental understanding of the universe. NASA has assembled an emergency team of scientists to investigate further, using all available resources to analyze the data and possibly redirect Explorer 1 to gather more information. This unsettling turn in Explorer 1's journey serves as a reminder of the vast mysteries that lie beyond our planet and the enduring spirit of exploration that drives humanity to seek answers in the farthest reaches of space. The spacecraft, equipped with 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators, was expected to have a functional lifespan of 4 to 12 years. Astonishingly, Explorer 1 has far exceeded expectations, continuing its mission for an incredible 45 years. Unlike solar panels, these generators produce power through the heat generated by the radioactive decay of plutonium-238. Despite this remarkable endurance, NASA estimates that by 2025, the Explorer spacecraft may no longer generate enough power to operate its instruments and send data back to Earth. During routine communication with Explorer 1 through NASA's Deep Space Network, something extraordinary happened. For the first time in its mission, Explorer 1 suddenly stopped its journey and performed a complete 180 degrees turn. This unexpected maneuver left NASA's mission control baffled and concerned. The spacecraft, which had been traveling through space without issue for decades, had mysteriously altered its course. Initial investigations showed no external forces acting on Explorer 1 and no malfunctions in the spacecraft systems. Scientists speculated that the anomaly might be related to the spacecraft's communication systems or power generation units, which were operating under extreme conditions far beyond their original design. In response to this development, NASA's team began a thorough investigation into the data received from Explorer 1. The spacecraft's onboard systems were meticulously checked, and its sensors were recalibrated. Despite the uncertainty, the mission team remained hopeful that the spacecraft would continue its journey and transmit valuable data. This event raised more questions than answers, prompting an even greater urgency to explore the vast and unknown regions of space. The maneuver also renewed interest in the original goals of the Explorer missions. As the spacecraft ventures further into the unknown, it continues to provide unprecedented insights into the environment of interstellar space. Every new discovery and unexpected twist adds to the legacy of these extraordinary missions, which have pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. Explorer 1's mission continues, standing as a symbol of human perseverance, ingenuity, and curiosity. Though its journey is far from over, the spacecraft's ultimate fate remains uncertain. One thing is clear. The Explorer missions have left an indelible mark on our understanding of the universe, inspiring future generations to attempt the impossible and explore the mysteries of the cosmos. The discovery of the anomaly and the spacecraft's surprising maneuver is another chapter in a long and storied journey. What lies ahead for Explorer 1 remains to be seen. Yet, its mission is far from complete, as it continues to send back data, challenge our understanding of the universe, and stretch the boundaries of science and exploration. Perhaps it will uncover even more profound mysteries awaiting discovery in the great unknown. The Explorer missions, particularly Explorer 1, serve as a testament to humanity's unyielding quest to uncover the unknown. Despite facing extreme challenges and operating far beyond their intended lifespans, these spacecraft have consistently exceeded expectations, delivering groundbreaking data that reshapes our understanding of the cosmos. Current challenges and future prospects. As the spacecraft edges closer to the limits of its power, the scientific community is racing against time to maximize the insights gleaned from its data. Engineers and researchers are exploring ways to extend the life of the remaining instruments, even as the spacecraft continues to drift further into the uncharted expanses of interstellar space. The anomaly detected in Explorer 1's path raises profound questions about the nature of the forces at play in deep space. Could this gravitational pull be evidence of a previously unknown celestial body? Or might it hint at a fundamental property of interstellar space yet to be understood? Broader implications. Should the mysterious object influencing Explorer 1's trajectory be confirmed, it could open new avenues of research into the structure and dynamics of the universe. Such a discovery might not only redefine key astronomical theories, but also provide insights into the forces shaping galaxies, black holes, and even the fundamental laws of physics. Furthermore, the anomaly might prompt future missions specifically designed to investigate similar phenomena. These missions could deploy next-generation instruments capable of capturing data with unprecedented precision, potentially unveiling secrets about the farthest reaches of the universe. inspiring a new generation. The legacy of Explorer 1 and its sibling missions is not just in their scientific contributions, but also in their ability to inspire. They remind us of the boundless potential of human curiosity and the importance of venturing beyond the boundaries of our current knowledge. With each new discovery, humanity takes one step closer to understanding its place in the cosmos. Explorer 1's unexpected turn and the anomaly it uncovered are yet another reminder that the universe is far more complex and mysterious than we can currently comprehend. The enduring spirit of exploration. As Explorer 1 continues its silent voyage through the interstellar void, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of countless scientists, engineers, and enthusiasts who dare to look beyond the stars. Its journey is far from over, and its data may hold answers to questions we have yet to ask. The road ahead for interstellar exploration is long and filled with uncertainties. But as long as we continue to question, investigate, and dream, the spirit of the Explorer missions will endure, lighting the way toward discoveries that will shape the future of humanity and our understanding of the universe.